In this video, we will learn how to use dark shading in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and go to the Home tab. Then click on the More and click on the option. And here the Excel option dialog box is open. Then click on the Customize ribbon and here in Popular Command, click on this drop down arrow and select the commands not in the ribbon. So here you can see the list of command which are not already added in your Excel tab. Okay, so I select here any command and press here D to search the dark shading command. So I search here, so select this command and click on add. Before that, I add in this command in custom tab. Just click on the new tab option and you can easily create here new tab. The new tab is added, just click on it and you can rename easily here. Just click on the rename option. I enter here tech, okay, tech zone. Then click on OK to create it, okay, so to rename it. Then select the group of this tab and click on the add option to add the dark shading command here and click on OK. Now you can see in text zone tab the dark shading command is added. Now you can use it easily. Just select here the row and click on the dark shading option. You can easily apply the dark shading on your data. Okay, so this is a way you can use the dark shading commands here. And this command I added here in my new tab, so you can easily create this new tab, any new tab, and you can add your daily use command in your tab. So it's helpful to use the quickly. You don't need to search anywhere. Those are used your daily basis, the Excel command. Okay, so hope you understand to highlight the data to dark with the dark shading. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.